guys, this is so random and it's been like literally, has it been a year? I don't know. It's Olivia and welcome back to my channel. I think everybody left though. Funny story, I thought I worked today. It's Wednesday and right before I was leaving for work, grabbed my keys, was walking out the door, looked at my phone, I was like I better just make sure that I'm on the schedule, and then I wasn't on the schedule and then I was like great. What do I do with my life? I've been having some things I want to do because I got an apartment. That's where I'm at. A lot has changed. But life is good, and I randomly went to Michael's and the thrift store, and I've gotten, I haven't seen it. I haven't like filmed a thrift haul in ages, so I have a lot of stuff because I seriously go every day. I'll just show you a couple things, and especially what I got today. It was calling me. Do you ever have days where you just feel like you need to go, and then you go and you find good stuff? So let's get into it. Also, I'm really hot because I'm like really sweaty. Anyways, let's start with Michael's. Yes, this is what my bag looks like. It's lovely, isn't it? My paintbrush is already half out, so these were on sale, so I just got them because I need big ones. I always buy paintbrushes and then they disappear, and I had to buy like a ton of crap for my classes, and like where did it go? I don't know. Got lost in the move. Okay, these don't look like great colors, but I have a vision, I have a plan. Maybe I'll get a little frisky and wild and put it on Snapchat or Instagram of what I do. But I just got these. I have a lot of paint, but nothing like this vibrant, so I just need these to get that vibrancy, because otherwise my colors are just really dull and boring and they don't ever actually get this bright. Oh my god, I forgot I bought this. What the heck? I got this clay because I was looking at it and I was like, oh, it's so cute. What if I just formed a tiny little rainbow and then let it dry, and I just have a little knick-knack, and then set it on a shelf with these bright colors? Cute, right? I've never done that. I remember playing with clay when I was little. That was about it. And then I got a really big canvas. I'll go get it. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a white canvas, and I also got this yarn. I'm gonna put it around the edges of my rug, or maybe just you know what I mean, kind of like this blanket, just on the a little fringe detailing. I'm just having such a great time decorating this place. It's seriously adorable. Look at this door. It's so cute. I'm in love with this place. I'll give you a tour if you want. Thumbs up, comment down below if you're still here. I need to order more things. I need a light, I need a side table, but it's coming together. Now, moving on to the thrift store. I got these shorts. Let me see them. Little high-waisted mom shorts. They're black and they looks like somebody already had them hemmed, but I think that they would look nice just rolled up like this anyways. I don't know if I'm gonna do any distressing, but I'll probably be selling these, so if you're interested, check my thrift page. Okay, these are literally awesome. I found these in the guys section. There was another pair too, but they were a bigger size and they had no room for the hips. The waist and the hips were they're still a little bit big on me, but they are so cool. They're like that, I don't know what you would call it. It has this little loop on the side. They're really long, so I don't know if I'm gonna make them shorts or if I'm gonna alter them and then do a raw cut here and then distress the ends. And this style of pant is in, I don't know, just look at this little loop. Whatever I do, this is obviously staying on here. Super excited about those. And I just got done making some shorts. Right there, I was doing nothing all day. I was watching Modern Family, which is on HELLLOOO, and I didn't even know that, and I love that show. I was watching that. You don't care. I found a fake plant, which is hanging right over there. I got a green little planter for 99 cents. Now it has a little friend to go in it that he desperately needed a home. And then I found a cute little woven basket thingy. Insert here. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it there because I don't have a hammer, I don't have nails. There's so many things that I need to hang that I can't because I don't have tools. What are tools? And how much are they? I don't want to drop a ton of money on some tools and then also not even know how to hang it? Do I just put a nail in? I feel like some things require those, like, does anybody know what I'm talking about? Where they have like, and it comes out. Like, what is that? What's it called? Where do I get it? How do I use it? What was I talking about? Oh yeah, that basket. I just kind of threw it up there because there were some nails there already. Like, there's some nails in here that I just kind of threw things on. And I'm like, but it needs to go somewhere because all my, like, my mirrors are just sitting on the ground. And, like, my artwork is just, like, leaning against the wall. The basket, the planter, those things. Oh, I got, like, 5 records. They're 99 cents each. I can't help it, okay? Okay, do you want to see a little things that I also got at the thrift store, like, you know, maybe like a few months ago, but I just wasn't on my game filming. There's still videos filmed that I have not edited. I don't know. What have you guys been doing? How's your life? Like, are you still there? Anyway, I'm going to show you these 2 things next to me, and yeah. Got them at the same time, actually. This little basket. It's kind of a weird shape. It's really skinny and tall, but this looks good in the corner, you know what I mean? And then this little plant over here. And I just love plants. Sometimes they stay alive for me, sometimes they don't. Oh, I went to Lowe's. It was right next to Goodwill, so I just went and checked because Walmart got rid of like all their plants. But I got like 2 of the same plant there like a few days ago, but it was on clearance. I'm not sure if they're gonna live. But I went to Lowe's and I got an aloe plant and like a big leaf thing, something. I have no idea what it's called. I'll show you. Here it is. Here's the aloe plant. Do you love them? Because same. I should name them all. But I need to get little pots for each one. So if you'd excuse me, I'm gonna make my clay rainbow and paint the rest of the night. Maybe sew some. I'll show you this because I'm just excited. Don't look at this shirt. It's kind of see-through, okay? And I sweated through it the whole time I was shopping. They're just like a cute little plaid green. I hemmed them so that they are cute shorts instead of like Bermuda wannabe capris. I'm so glad that we got that taken care of today. We made shorts. We went to the store. We spent way too much money, but it's okay. I got the mail. It was a struggle. I had to make 2 trips up here. I'm on the top floor. Did I get sunburned? I didn't go outside today. I always choose to go someplace right at rush hour. And then I'm like, ew, why are there so many cars? And then I look at the time and I realize because by the time I finally decide to leave my house, everybody's already going home. Last time I was at Goodwill, not this time, the last time I went to that one, I got hit. Somebody backed into me and it was scary. I had no idea what to do. That's never happened to me before. And it was like a giant, like, buff dude with like a beard and long hair, and he had a wolf t-shirt on, and I'm not kidding. I was like, uh-oh. So that's that. Hope you guys enjoy your night, morning, day. At least it's summer. None of you are in school. I'm in a class. I'm taking a summer class, but it's not too bad. But I'm still going to probably stress about it and get way too worked up about it anyways. Art class, theory and criticism, something. Don't even know what it's called, and I'm already a week done with it. It's only 5 weeks long. Awesome, Olivia. It's awesome. Anyways, can't wait to show you guys this place once it's decorated. Thank you so much for watching this. That's everything that I got at, where did I go? Michael's, Goodwill, and Lowe's. I would never go into Lowe's. I just stuck to that plant side. Has some plants. 2 plants left. $15, not that bad. I hope that they stay alive. Everybody pray for my plants. Love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. There will be a next one. I mean, probably. As long as I don't die, there's probably gonna be a next one. So, see you later. I found, ooh! Do you like them? Actually, look at them though. Why do I get so excited about things? They're just a cute little... Okay, I'm just like so tired, my legs hurt. Okay, what else I found? Oh, actually, I'll list it and then I'll do a little insert. I'm gonna put this paintbrush down before I hit myself again. Just could focus on my face though, that'd be really nice. And I'm not giving you my address. I really Well, I have some kitties though. Snot just came out of my nose. Sorry guys. What have you guys been doing? How's your life? Like, are you still there? I'm still here. I'm still alive, surprisingly. I know, right? But after moving out of the dorms, my life got a lot better. I looked for a place to live, and then like summer went so fast. I have another job. It's really fun. Still work at Paxson though. Still selling clothes online. Fallen behind on YouTube like so majorly. And also like, even though I do post on Instagram, on my own Instagram, I literally hardly ever post because I don't know. I'm getting kind of tired of just having to like keep up with social media. It's a lot of work, okay? I just love playing with paintbrushes. And then I think, I wonder how many people touch this too. And then I think, I don't really care.